All right, guys, so we're here in Buena Park right now, and check this baby out. We're gonna start doing a demo. All this backyard, everything that you see here is gonna get completely redone. So we're gonna remove this pool. We're gonna remove all the concrete around it, and we're gonna build a nice, beautiful, modern pool that Jose had designed. We're gonna be installing equipment this week, and we're already doing the stone on the walls, the tile. We've been waiting for that tile and that stone for a little while, but we already have it. That's what's important. So I cannot state this more or any better. Once you start your project, once you start digging your pool, get your material selections done as quick as possible. Because right now everything's taking forever. The tiles to arrive, it's taking weeks to get here. So I'm really impatient. So the sooner you have your materials, the better it is. So you can, so we can keep going.